Hi there, welcome back to Whiskey Jingle Farms. My name's Brandon. Today we're doing our 4th week hive inspection. Today we're looking to see how they're drawing out comb. I don't think they're going to need feed. They're, I think, in somewhat of a nectar flow now, so I'm hoping not to feed them anymore, possibly. But we're going to add, I'm pretty sure we're going to add a box to the package and just kind of quickly evaluate it. But let's get into it. All right, so here's our package bees. These are our Italians, right?
I think so. Oh, I can hear them.
Yeah, that's what they do. The sun's bright, bouncing off there. Like I said, today we're gonna just check on this one to see if we need to add the box. I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up needing to add a deep to it.
Yeah. Why is there comb up here?
Because they built some comb up there.
Are you supposed to do that? Oh, he's squishing a bee. Oh, Dad. You killed it. Queen's out here.
Oh, queen, yay. Now looking from above here, I can see they filled every single one of these frames out. Maybe not this outside one, but we'll double check. I'm pretty sure they're out of feed. I probably should be feeding them. No, they're not out of feed. I got quite a bit left, about half, I'd say. So we'll take this outside frame off and try to show you guys some more here.
What's that? Oh, that's bees. Like that stuff.
Yep, it's cap brood.
Wait,
So
I never realized that this comb is a different color than this comb. I never paid attention to that.
just because they hatched eggs out of it. I'll show you here. There's eggs in there and everything. Hopefully you can see that fairly decent since it's bright out. Cap brood, so she's relaying in here and everything. And they're drawing this nectar honey out quite far actually, because the frame next to it isn't fully drawn out.
But can I see the backside?
Kind of
look
telling,
at all of them.
kind of telling myself, along with you. I don't want to kick it by accident.
Oh, wonky comb.
Yeah, it's some wonky comb.
There's some little bit of honey.
There's larvae and eggs.
Wait. What's that? That's so cool.
What?
Is that a nurse bee?
It's just a bee putting nectar in.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh,
Like I said, they're still drawing on this frame yet. And there's eggs. The queen's actually right there.
Where? Is she marking this head?
Nope, she's right there.
Oh, wow.
Show you guys the queen. So, queen's right there by my thumb. Just looking around trying to lay. There's a couple spots in there yet for her to lay.
This is a weird looking bee. Are bees supposed to look like that? Like they're thin on their butt, by their butt?
Mm-hmm. So that's all emerged brood, and then different stages of larva, so it's all hatched out. Same with this side, it's all relayed in different stages of larva back in there. So I definitely am gonna say we're gonna have to put another box on here.
Dad, your foot's awfully close to your phone.
Oh, I kind of forgot they're down there. Normally I set them up top, that's why.
Wow.
There's a bunch of cap brood and eggs. Pretty nice looking.
Oh, there's a bee on your hand.
There's,
It's trying to sting you.
no, it's not. There's some more cap brood on that side.
Yum. It might be good with honey this year. And somebody's going to eat it. I wonder who. Oh, Dad, there's bees down here.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to kill them. That has some honey on it.
It's fine. There's a bunch of pollen and eggs. It's all emerged cells. So we didn't go into this box that much before last time. Kind of just.
Oh, I see some honey here.
We still got to work on some drying out in frames on this side. Bunch of bee bread and pollen on this side.
Wait, do bees use the honey?
Yep.
What they use it for?
To eat.
Really?
Yep.
I thought that's for bee bread.
On here.
That bee's trying to fly right there. Hi there.
Yeah, we still have
Look at that part of this honey right there.
a bunch of nectar in there. We still have some room to grow. That's all nectar or sugar water.
Oh, there's like a plate of honey back here. It kind of looks cool. Up here.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, just embedded in all the comb.
But we gotta take this feeder and put it in that box first. We're gonna take a couple frames out. Set this over here for a second. Move everything over. Give them some new foundation.
I get the sweat out of my eyes once there's a veil between me.
Alright. So, smoke down these bees, throw us other frame or other feeder on, or box, and jeez. My brain's fried. Been a long day. Been up since 3 a.m. So
Oh, you were up until 3 a.m.?
I was up at 3 a.m.
Well, that's why I'm on. Oh, ball dance! That ball dance.
So throw this feeder
Oh, come on.
inside.
There's a little bee can fall on my finger.
Push this all over. Now I know a lot of people say to put a frame of brood up here, open brood. But I'm just gonna leave it and see how they do. I really should probably wax this a little bit more. I was going to do that and I kind of forgot. But we'll see how things go. Good afternoon, girls.
Ladies and ladies, welcome to Smoke.
These ladies are always a little ornery. Just a little ornery.
Come on, hold your finger. And pick up this next one.
So they're just drawing out honey up here, making honey.
Hey, aren't you going to take out that stuff?
What?
There's stuff on the bottom of that frame.
Oh, it's alright.
Can I take this one out?
They drew out this frame. There's some drone bird on it. You guys can see that there. Some drone brood. All capped honey on top. This side's got eggs and honey. So this was the frame that we stuck up here. There's queen cups. There's a couple of queen cups on the bottom there.
Are they dry?
Yeah, that one's dry. I didn't see this one though. This one's dry. No egg. That one. They are noisy. Holy cow, guys. Girls, whatever. Oh, wow. Well, this is all nice drawn out and laid. That's some nice progress there. There's tons of drones. They must have all hatched out.
Oh, look at all that honey.
And this is all drawn out now, and she's got eggs up in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully. They say they're doing pretty good. Last time we didn't see the queen, but there was eggs. This one's fairly light. There's lots of eggs on this one. Nothing on this side. And drew this out. So, getting there. I'd say nothing on that last frame either. So, man, is it sun? You can see all the wax melting off of that just sitting in the sun. It's hot out here.
Yeah, wasn't it supposed to be like 91?
It is warm. You pull this one out.
Dad, look!
What?
Could it be on my finger?
Oh. You want to pull this frame out?
Sure. Look how little bee.
Careful so you don't squish a bee. And don't rub the frame next to the sides, please.
Okay.
You don't want to roll any bees, you'll kill them.
Fingers are too big.
Pull right here.
Oh. Okay. Pretty cool.
Of course, that's all nectar.
What's that?
That's drone brood.
Really?
Yeah. She must have laid an egg in there before they put honey in there. So, this one's all full pollen and brood. Same with this side. Tons of pollen and brood. Check out our drone frame. This is the one that always has tons of drones.
Eat, sleep, have fun, repeat. That's all drones do.
They just eat and fly away and then die. Yep, you can tell they all, there was at bottom of that frame there used to be all capped drones. They're all gone. All hatched out.
Well, she got angry at me. First.
Yeah.
Oh, they're communicating. That's cool.
See all these big drones on here. All these bigger bees. And where they went. And right down there, it's a drone. A bunch of them on here.
Wait, what's that?
Where?
Oh, is that the queen?
No.
That big thing right there. Is that the queen?
This?
Yeah.
No, that's a drone.
Jeez, it's huge.
Hit the like button for me. I know the camera died again. I didn't bring my umbrella. I actually bought an umbrella for the camera to keep it cool, and I forgot it inside. But everything looked good in the box. I know you guys, it died in the middle and it turned back on. Didn't see much in that nucleus box, but everything's progressing well. Found the queen. She's looking places to lay, so they're doing pretty good. Hopefully they'll have some younger bees hatch out or emerge here and get more of that comb drawn out. They both feeders still had some feed in it, and I know they're bringing in lots of nectar too. At least that nucleus colony is. There's definitely some honey that looks like honey, and it tastes like honey. Doesn't taste like sugar water, but
Yeah, it tastes sweet.
But the package is doing amazing. So I mean, this is 1 month in, week 4 of the nucleus since we installed it, and you know, week and few days of the package. So I mean, everything's progressing well. But again, if you liked anything, hit thumbs up, appreciate it. I'll see you next time.